In this eye-opening video, you will learn how to tap into the transformative power of your feminine sexual energy and harness it to awaken your divine potential. We will delve into ancient tantric and Taoist teachings that will guide you on how to retain and channel this sacred force, harmonizing your body and mind while activating your intuition and deepening your connection to the cosmos. Get ready for a profound journey of self-discovery, where you will master the art of transforming your reality, reclaiming your sovereignty, and accessing spiritual wisdom that can revolutionize your life. Don't miss this chance to unlock your true power. Have you paused to reflect on that energy you carry within you, waiting for the perfect moment to shine? This force has been suppressed for years, and now you have the opportunity to rediscover it. This power is not just a part of you, it is the key to transforming your life in unimaginable ways. Today we will talk about this feminine energy that many have tried to silence, but it is the true engine of your well-being and connection to the universe. Now let me ask you something: why do you think this energy has been suffocated for so long? And what impact could it have on your life if you reconnect with it? The answer to these questions lies in something that goes beyond the physical. This energy, often seen as trivial, is actually a channel to a deeper understanding of who you are and your place in the world. It is an inexhaustible source of power that, once reconnected, will allow you to access higher levels of consciousness and enhance your well-being in every aspect. What few people know is that this energy, often ignored or undervalued, is the gateway to true personal transformation. It is much more than physical sensuality, it is a current of vitality that flows through every cell of your body, ready to be utilized in your own spiritual awakening. For too long we have been told that sensuality is something we must control or suppress, when, in reality, it is a sacred part of our essence, a gift that connects us to something much greater than ourselves. If this content is helping you awaken and connect with your essence, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. This helps us continue bringing valuable teachings to you. Today we will begin a journey toward recognizing this internal force, and the most fascinating part is that it has always been there, waiting to be rediscovered. It is not just about awakening something new, but about reclaiming what has always been yours. Feminine energy is a powerful tool that, when used consciously, can bring balance, health, and a deep sense of well-being to every aspect of your life. Imagine it as a light flowing within you, circulating with each breath, illuminating the deepest corners of your being. When you activate this energy, everything you believe to be impossible begins to transform. And the best part is, that power has always been inside you, waiting for the right moment to shine with all its strength. This energy not only allows you to rediscover your inner power, but also aligns you with the forces of the universe, putting you in tune with the natural rhythms that govern life. At the heart of all this is the yoni, a sacred portal that goes far beyond the physical. It is the point through which the creative energy of the cosmos flows, connecting you to the mysteries of the universe. When you cultivate this energy consciously, you transform into a living channel of divine inspiration. You become a conduit of wisdom and strength, capable of living with clear purpose and renewed clarity. However, most people never realize this potential, allowing this powerful force to remain dormant. Now imagine what happens when you awaken this energy, when you deliberately cultivate that power. You not only connect with nature, but also activate a creative force that moves everything around you. As this energy flourishes within you, you begin to see your true purpose in the world more clearly. New paths open up, and you understand that your connection to this energy is the secret to your deepest transformation. But it doesn't stop there. The yoni, as the heart of this power, is not just a physical part of your body. So it is much more. It is the gateway to life, the center of all creation. Beyond its biological functions, the yoni is a symbol of spiritual and cosmic power. When you connect with this energy, you directly access the source of all that exists. Each heartbeat of your yoni resonates with the pulse of the universe, echoing in perfect harmony with creation itself. By learning to nurture and cultivate this energy, you become a vortex of creativity and vitality. Your intuition strengthens, your vitality blossoms, and your joy in living amplifies. Ancestral teachings remind us that this energy center governs our health, vitality, and our ability to align with the natural cycles. Now that you know the power of the yoni, it's time to learn how to channel that energy to awaken all your creative potential. It's like tuning an instrument so that it resonates in perfect harmony with the universe. When you manage to align with this energy, everything within you, body, mind, and spirit, vibrates in perfect balance. Yet many people go through life without even realizing this internal power they possess. Disconnected from their yoni, they fail to access this vital force that lies dormant, waiting to be awakened. But when you start to recognize the spiritual depth and true meaning of your yoni, that's when the magic happens. You align with the cosmic currents of love and creativity, allowing energy to flow freely within you, transforming you into a channel of divine inspiration. Herein lies the true secret. Awakening this energy initiates a transformative process. However, the real metamorphosis occurs when you learn to retain and circulate this energy consciously. And next, we will explore this key phase of transformation, the power of retention and circulation of sexual energy. Retaining feminine sexual energy is one of the most powerful practices you can cultivate. Instead of releasing this energy aimlessly, as society often encourages, the real secret lies in learning to contain and circulate this force within you. Think of your sexual energy as an internal flame. When controlled and nurtured, this flame can turn into an unquenchable fire of vitality, mental clarity, and spiritual power. Through ancient tantric and Taoist techniques, you can prevent this energy from dissipating without purpose, keeping it alive within you, nourishing your soul and strengthening your connection with the divine. This retention begins with the awareness of your own body. During intimate moments or even in your self-care practices, the simple act of contracting your intimate muscles can completely transform the experience. Instead of releasing this energy impulsively, you elevate it, allowing it to travel up your spine, activating energy centers along the way. This is achieved with the help of conscious breathing, which acts as a bellows, directing this energy to circulate continuously within you. Every time this energy moves through your body, it nourishes your cells, elevates your frequency, and activates your intuition in ways you never imagined possible. When this practice becomes a part of your daily routine, the benefits are extraordinary. Hormones balance out, self-confidence grows, and your connection with your partner or yourself deepens to unimaginable levels. This journey is not just about physical control, it's about undergoing an internal revolution, a transformative process that affects every area of your life. By retaining this creative energy, you align yourself with the cosmos, transforming your reality in profound ways. Your perception shifts, you begin to see beyond superficial illusions, accessing the fullness of your divine being. Here is where true power starts to emerge. However, be aware that engaging with this energy begins to reorganize your entire reality. If this content is helping you awaken and connect with your essence, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. This helps us continue bringing valuable teachings to you, and if you want to dive even deeper, download my ebook, Divine Essence: Rediscovering the Inner Self and Spiritual Peace. The link is in the description. Transform your spiritual journey right now. Now let's understand the transformative power of feminine energy when it is genuinely cultivated and controlled. When feminine energy is consciously cultivated and retained, it becomes a powerful transformative force capable of completely changing your reality. Instead of dissipating into fleeting moments of pleasure, this energy, when circulated within you, has the power to awaken intuitive gifts, activate dormant areas of your brain, and most impressively, restructure your worldview. You start seeing life with greater clarity, shedding the illusory distractions that keep you trapped. It's as if a veil is lifted, revealing your divine essence, your fullness as a woman and creator. This feminine energy is different from masculine energy, which tends to be linear and directed outward. Feminine energy is circular. It flows back into itself like a continuous spiral of power. The more you practice retention, the more this energy amplifies within you, connecting you to an inexhaustible source of creativity, vitality, and love. This is why this practice can feel so transformative. It not only elevates your experience of pleasure, but fundamentally alters how you relate to the world and to yourself. When this energy circulates freely within you, it awakens your soul, connects you to the divine, and allows you to access ancient wisdom that has always been there, waiting to be awakened. Imagine it as a radiant light flowing inside you, circulating with every breath, illuminating the deepest corners of your being. When you activate this energy, everything you thought was impossible begins to transform. So the best part is that this power has always been within you, waiting for the right moment to shine with all its strength. This transformation is not only internal, it manifests in every aspect of your life. Your health improves, your confidence grows, and the way you present yourself to the world changes dramatically. You become a magnet, attracting everything that resonates with this new version of yourself. By retaining this energy, you align with the natural flow of the universe, paving the way for a reality where opportunities seem to flow toward you almost magically. However, this is just the beginning. Ancient wisdom teaches us that when this energy is cultivated correctly, it can connect you directly to cosmic forces. Now, let's delve deeper into the Tantric and Taoist practices that teach how to sublimate and channel this energy to achieve the highest spiritual balance. These ancient traditions hold profound secrets on how feminine sexual energy can be preserved and sublimated for greater spiritual equilibrium. Through practices of muscle contraction, conscious breathing, and visualization, you can elevate sexual energy throughout your body, activating energy centers and nourishing your soul. This is a process of internal transformation where energy that would normally dissipate is directed to fuel your vitality and intuition. In Taoism, the feminine is viewed as a circular flow of energy, while the masculine tends to be linear, seeking a point of release. By learning to control this circular flow, women can absorb concentrated hormones and psychic factors that would otherwise be lost. This not only awakens intuitive gifts but also balances the body with the forces of heaven and earth, creating a perfect harmony between the microcosm of your body and the macrocosm of the universe. It's like a cycle of self-nourishment, where every drop of retained energy is transformed into powerful fuel that elevates your spirit. Through consistent practice, you can not only transform yourself but also access a state of unity with the universe. However, let's explore how this energy, when retained and cultivated, can lead you to a spiritual liberation that challenges everything you've ever known. The path to spiritual liberation through feminine sexual energy is a profound and transformative journey, one that allows you to reconnect with your divine essence and the cosmos. When you embrace this energy fully, you begin to notice shifts in your life. Doors open that you never knew existed, and the energy you cultivate becomes a guiding force in your journey towards self-actualization. By tapping into this reservoir of inner power, you'll find yourself on a path of discovery and enlightenment, bringing light not only to your life but to those around you as well. Unlike what modern society teaches us, where sexuality is often treated superficially, ancestral traditions, particularly Tantric and Taoist, reveal that true liberation lies in learning to retain and circulate this sacred energy. Every time you retain this creative force, you're not only preserving physical energy but also unlocking spiritual portals that connect you to the divine. It is a practice that allows you to break free from the chains of illusion and enter a state of unity with the cosmos, where body and spirit become one. This liberation is not merely about controlling sexual energy, it is a rebellion against modern norms that seek to reduce a woman's power to something purely physical. By retaining your energy and directing it inward, you reclaim your sovereignty, freeing yourself from societal constraints and reconnecting with your divine essence. This journey is just the beginning. As you continue practicing, your perception expands, your intuition flourishes, and your connection to cosmic energies deepens. You begin to understand that your body is a sacred temple, and within it lies the secret to accessing the highest spiritual realms. Now is the time to delve even deeper and discover how this connection to cosmic wisdom can guide you toward true fusion with the universe. Your sexuality is much more than a physical impulse, it is a direct channel to cosmic wisdom. When you learn to cultivate and direct this energy within yourself, every breath and heartbeat aligns with the rhythm of the universe. Through practices of retention, this energy is not wasted but stored and sublimated, activating the energy centers in your body such as the pineal gland, which is deeply linked to intuition and spiritual vision. It's as if each drop of this energy contains the essence of the cosmos, ready to guide you and reveal profound secrets about your existence and the purpose of your soul. By practicing these retention techniques, you begin to experience prolonged states of ecstasy that are not just physical but spiritual. The energy that would normally be released externally is channeled inward, opening neural pathways that connect you with universal consciousness. These ecstatic states are not just moments of pleasure, they are portals that allow you to touch the infinite wisdom that exists beyond time and space. When this energy is shared with a partner who also understands these practices, both can enter a state of cosmic union, where the boundaries between self and other dissolve, allowing for a fusion with the whole. But there is still so much more to explore, dear sisters. Now, let's unveil how this ancestral wisdom can be used to transform your life on every level. Throughout this journey, dear sisters, we have explored one of the greatest secrets hidden within you. Your sexual energy is a source of divine power. This power, when cultivated and directed with intention, can completely transform your life, connecting you not only to your body but to the universe as a whole. Through Tantric and Taoist practices, you learn to retain, circulate, and sublimate this energy, awakening intuitive gifts, balancing your body, and aligning your soul with cosmic forces. The yoni, this sacred portal, is much more than a physical center, it is the key to your creation, wisdom, and self-realization. But more than that, this journey is about reclaiming your sovereignty. It's about understanding that your sexuality is not something to be given away lightly, but rather a creative force that can transform your reality and lead you to a state of spiritual liberation. By reconnecting with this power, you become a divine instrument, a woman in harmony with the universe, capable of manifesting your highest aspirations. Now that you have integrated this knowledge, it's time to take this practice further, to honor your body as the sacred temple it is, and to share this wisdom with other sisters, so that together we can elevate our consciousness and move toward a future of abundance and light. If you've felt this transformation starting within you, share this video, spread this wisdom, and continue with us on this journey. We have so much more to unveil, and the next step is as powerful as what you have just discovered. When you embrace this energy fully, you'll begin to notice shifts in your life. Doors will open that you never knew existed, and the energy you cultivate will become a guiding force on your journey towards self-actualization. By tapping into this reservoir of inner power, you'll find yourself on a path of discovery and enlightenment, bringing light not only to your life but to those around you as well. Before we finish, I want to remind you that this is just the beginning of a profound journey. If you like this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss any future content. And if you feel that this transformation is already happening within you, I invite you to watch our next video, where we will explore even more ways to elevate your energy and connect with your inner power. See you at the next step of this journey.